Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting in Moultrie, Georgia, with some commentary for Tuesday. It's about 2:30 Eastern Time. Mixed bag in the markets today. Of course, typically with Tuesday, it's often called Turnaround Tuesday, meaning that the way we traded yesterday, we trade opposite of that today. And of course, yesterday was a big meltdown in a lot of the markets, and I guess to some extent we've necessarily overcome it, but we certainly improved on it just a little bit. The cotton market today, however, was down 67.75, down 55, and of course that's based on the notion that of the bigger acres report and the fact we may get some rain in Texas. However, we did not make a new low for the move, and that's something of an encouragement. Of course, as you hold a chart out at arm's length, the cotton market looks pretty bearish to us, but extremely oversold down here. All these technical indicator things people use, for instance, the RSI, it's in single digits, which doesn't necessarily mean we're going to have a rally or guarantee a roll-up, but it's still mighty dicey to go short down in here. It seems like to me we should have a shot of some kind of recovery as we get into tomorrow, maybe even into Thursday, and look at these export numbers. Over in the grains today, interestingly, corn made a new low for the move and still closed. Still posted its lowest close, but you sense that the market's starting to run out of bearish steam down here. Yeah, it just seems to us that we've, again, like cotton, it's overdone it to the downside, and we could certainly think in terms of seeing the market try to retrograde a little higher. Interestingly, both wheat and soybeans closed flat today, unchanged from yesterday, despite the fact that beans took a big hammering this morning. Spot August beans were down about 45 cents. They're going to go out about 9 cents lower, while new crop beans are going to actually, like I say, finish unchanged. So we're looking at, a situation where a lot of the traders have become blindly bearish to the market. And I think we're getting down to the point now where prudence says we could certainly level off in here. You know, these markets are so oversold that there's two ways to correct them. You could get a rally, that is to say go up, or you could move sideways for a while. I think we're going to see a combination of both. I think the market's mainly going to chop sideways, but we'll get a few intermittent rallies in there. Maybe corn goes up 20 cents or something like that. But anyway, tomorrow is the middle of the week. We're watching all this weather around here. Then we do get export numbers out on Thursday. So we'll see what those bring for us. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.